Lordship, this is a case where the petitioner is basically the tenant in this particular premises, and he was, Lordship, undertaking some repair of the tin shed roof. He has a scrap business in this property.
You are seeking washing on merit, or you are seeking washing on settlement? Settlement.
No, it is on the basis of the settlement.
So stick to the settlement.
Yes, yes.
Why are you
We are
coming
giving
to the
4.5 lakhs to this lady. She is respondent number.
Who are you representing? You are representing petitioner or respondent?
Both.
Both.
Yes, yes. I am represent. आप इधर ही आ जाओ आप. They are both are being represented through me.
आइयो कौन है इसमें? किसकी डेथ हुई थी? इनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हुई थी. तो इनकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है और एलआर्स कौन कौन है? आफ्टर डेथ कौन है? और आप रेणु देवी हैं? उनसे नो ऑब्जेक्शन ले ली है?
Actually, the MOU which I have annexed, it has been signed by this son. He is also present here. कहाँ है? दिलीप पटेल बोला उनको.
कोई नहीं, एक बारी आईओ को कंफर्म करने दो कि यही एलआर्स हैं और सबकी नो ऑब्जेक्शन आ गई है. For your benefit, we have some assurance from them.
But Lordship, there is one thing. Why I have not included the son and etc. Because she is the complainant.
All right.
That is the. For that reason, I have made only respondent this
right.
lady as the party.
Don't worry, IO is here. He will verify कि MOU जो है वो उसकी शर्तें जो हैं वो बाकी सब लोगों को, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, उनको भी मंजूर है. अगर सबकी तरफ से हामी आ जाएगी तो अगली तारीख पे देख लेंगे.
We don't have any problem. Actually, we talked to the son also.
अच्छी बात.
ये he is standing here.
He is the only son. There is no other son.
आपके इसके अलावा कोई और बच्चे हैं आपके?
गांव से आया था.
आपके बच्चे गांव में हैं. Actually, that is the point.
It's better for, you are representing unfortunately both the sides.
Yes, yes.
We have to strike a proper balance.
No problem. We don't have a problem.
All right, good.
Only and only if they are willing, we are ready for settlement. Otherwise, we can easily.
No, all right. We'll get it verified quickly. We have to have no objection from everyone. It's a case of unfortunate death also.
Yes, yes. There is no
अगर कोई ऐसा होता है, इंजरी का केस होता तो आज ही खत्म कर देते.
बिल्कुल. Our sympathies are in fact with the family, Lord.
All right. Petitioner seeks washing of FIR number so and so, PS so and so on the basis of settlement. The above said FIR by Shrimati Renu Devi within bracket respond number 2 herein, whose husband died in the incident in question while he was working as a laborer at one premises at one property situated at Matiala village.
Yes, yes. It is at Matiala.
Matiala village.
First para
wait.
contains the address. Mentions the address.
1 minute. There is already a memorandum of understanding between the petitioner and respondent number 2. Full stop. Learned APP for the state appears on advance notice with the concerned IO, and IO is directed to verify about the surviving LRs of the deceased and to submit a specific report, whether specific report about the details of all such LRs, and also whether the other LRs are also and whether the MOU in question is to other LRs, if any. List on. बहुत लंबी डेट मत रखना, अप्रैल के एंड में या मई फर्स्ट वीक. कितना अमाउंट देना है आपने?
4.5 lakhs.
दे चुके हैं, देना है.
We have the draft.
You have the draft. तो इसमें shorter date करना. But then please try to verify as quickly as possible. If it is settled, then we'll see.
28th of April to 8. Obliged, Lordship, can the matter be listed in the supplementary list on that date?
Be shown in supplement.
Highly obliged.
I will also in the interregnum do one thing.
Yes.
Take the affidavits from all the other LRs also, that they have no objection to the above said MOU and would have no objection if the entire amount is given to their mother. Right? And also annex the copies of their ID proofs.
We
so that
will
on
try.
The next date, so that on the next date we close this.
We'll try, Lordship, because they are.
Try is a very dicey word.
They are in.
You have to.
That is the problem. Because
अरे बहुत टाइम है, 1 महीने से ऊपर का समय है।
I'll
भाई
I'll make sure that they also
आ जाएगा।
ये cooperate करें ना, I'll make sure that they also
अब
cooperate.
ये आपको देखना है, you say you are representing both of them.
Yes.
You have to make efforts now.
Okay,
All right.
right.
Thank you.